So, I just got back from work. That's why I'm wearing like nice clothes and shit. Not that you guys care, but that's why I'm wearing these clothes. I ordered a new board. That's what this is, believe it or not. Oh. Yes. Oh. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Look at this bad boy. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but it's the Andy Anderson flight deck and some mob grip. You see, you know, the carbon fiber in there. Andy Anderson. I like this graphic surprisingly more than I thought I would. Look at it. There's like no give. This board is, for those of you that don't know, it has I think like 3 layers of carbon fiber or something in it, or 3 things of maple, 2 layers of carbon fiber. I think that's what it is. Now here's the thing about the board that I don't like. It's this graphic. I think the graphic sort of looks like a board that you get at Target or something. I just don't really like how the graphic looks, if I'm being honest. Gotta fucking figure out how to do this. I don't know. Andy Anderson's an amazing skateboarder, no shade towards that dude, but I think that it's just a weird, like, looking graphic. I mean, it's a weird board in general, but I would rather not have that many eyes on me at the skate park. If you watch any of my videos, you'll know that I'm fucking a total self-conscious little bitch, so. You're god dang right I did. Check her out. Alright, now it's time to sand, which is probably what I should have done before I started this, but I'm not smart, so. Oh yeah, really good job there. Super even coats, as you can see. Perfect. So, didn't do a terrible job, also not a great job, but it looks okay. And then once I take off this tape, I think it will look a lot better. I couldn't really get rid of these, but I think it looks cool. So in certain circumstances, when you can't do it correctly, just convince yourself that you think it looked cool anyway, the way it is, you know? That's what I do. I gotta get this red. Nobody likes dipped boards. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Well, this part and this part, I mean, kind of know how to do a whole lot. This actually turned out pretty awesome. This looks way sicker than the graphic. I'm pretty stoked on this.